Hello and welcome to All About Platform. And very good evening to all of you. I hope so. You all are doing good. So, as we already know, that SSC has released the SSC examination calendar for all upcoming SSC exams, right? And SSC CGL notification 2025 will be released on 22nd April with the application form. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the 5 best highest paying or high paying jobs or posts in SSC exams, right? As we already know that 8th pay commission is going to be forwarded for the next year for sure. So definitely there will be a high paying job as well as the very important job in SSC you can see. Now, first of all, as we already know that the qualification for SSC CGL examination is graduation. Any domain is okay. Okay. Then after, age limit up to 18 to 30 years for the general category and depend on the post +3 for OBC candidate +5 for SC/ST candidate. Number of attempts, there is no limit, especially in the SSC examination. Post type, always grade B and grade C is the post type you will see in the SSC CGL examination. Now the selection process is, as already know, that is the selection process is divided into two parts. First is tier 1, which is qualifying, and your tier 2, right? Now, so first of all, let's have a look of the first post of your high paying job, and the first is assistant audit officer. Now, assistant audit officer is a high paid job with lot of allowances, benefit and perks. The grade pay for the position is around 4,800. In hand salary is around 75 to 80,000, and please take in your mind the 8th pay commission, which is going to be just divide the basic pay salary with the 2.86, not divide, multiply, and you'll have the highest paying job, the assistant audit officer. Okay, conducting audit in public and government sector organization. This is the task or this is the responsibility which is coming with the assistant audit officer. Okay, now moving to the next part, and your next job is ASO in MEA. That means assistant section officer in Ministry of External Affairs. This is the second highest paying job in the SSC CGL examination, and type of post is group B, that is non-gazetted post. Age limit 20 to 30. Grade pay 4,600 grade pay, that means in hand salary is 72 to 75,000 approximately. Posting in India as well as because it is a Ministry of External Affairs, so definitely this is a very prominent government job which is also covering in a foreign country. Okay, so if you have a dream to settle in a foreign country with a government job, definitely this job is for you. Okay, then after, providing administration support to various department and division within the MEA. This may include managing file, correspondence and documentation. You may have to liaise with Indian embassies and mission abroad on a variety of issues. For example, visa application, counselor service and your trade promotion also involved in this particular job. Now, you may be responsible for conducting research and analysis on a range of political, economic, social issue related to the India and foreign policy, right? Okay. Now, your third highest paying job in SSC CGL examination is ASO CSS. What is it? Assistant Section Officer, Central Secretariat Service. Now, this is again a group B guested post, sorry, non-guested post. Age limit is 20 to 30. Grade pay is 4600. That means in hand 72 to 75,000. Okay, posting only Delhi. If you are looking for any nearby location and if you want to spend your whole life in a central part of India, definitely you can have this job, that is your ASO CSS, because you will have only the posting only in Delhi, that is your central secretariat. Okay, and it is not a field job, guys, it is a work profile job. That is why it is very prominent, very suitable job for women candidates. ASO in CSS mainly does clerical work like routine, nothing drafting, writing a letter, putting them up to higher authorities, completing files and making reports. So this is completely a desk job kind of thing, which is termed as a ASO in CSS. Now, your fourth highest paying job is inspector as a central excise. So age type is group B. Age limit 18 to 30, grade pay 4600. That means in hand salary is 68 to 75,000, and posting all India posting is available. Again, this is a mixed job kind of desk as well as a field job. Enforcement of tax law by issuing notice, penalties, taking legal action against non-compliant businesses or individual, tax inspection, assessment and verification of each and everything which is associated with the taxation part or the tax part, definitely will be handled by the inspector central excise. Okay, this is the fourth highest paying job you can dream in SSC CGL. Now we are moving to the fifth highest paying job, is the inspector in income tax, which is very popular job, especially in SSC CGL examination. Again, it is a non-gazetted post, group B. Age limit is 18 to 30. Grade pay 4600. That means 68 to 75,000 approximate in hand. All India posting. Again, it is a mixed bag of desk as well as your field job. Okay, responsible for verifying the assessing individuals and business tax return to ensure compliances with tax law, and also conduct audits and investigation to prevent tax evasion. Okay, so these are the 5 prominent job as well as the best 5 highest paying job, especially you can dream in SSC